Behind every DM and comment you get, there's a potential customer. And behind every potential customer, there's a story. After watching this video, you'll approach each person as the unique individual they are. Because let's face it, everyone craves that personal touch. Lucky for you, managing your brand reputation with Social Inbox is easier than ever. So let's start by heading to the Social Inbox in Semrush Social. Add your main social profiles so you can start managing all your messages right from here. Tag messages with labels like loyal customer or positive feedback for easy organization. If you're the manager of this project, you can assign messages to specific team members. There are several ways you can filter your DMs and comments. Sort messages by assignment status to see the ones that need to be answered. Sort by tags to identify common themes and sentiments. Filter by user or message type to streamline your workflow. By hitting Export to CSV, you can instantly generate a report with all messages and comments with applied filters. But hey, it doesn't end here. Here's an extra shortcut that will make reputation management as easy as click. Click on a message to open it. Click on the lightning to open the quick replies. Then create message templates with the most common replies, so you don't have to type them each time. Managing your entire history of interactions with your social media audience from one place is the start of building meaningful connections with your community. And by managing your entire history of interactions from one place, you can start building meaningful connections with your community. So go try it out. Head back to Semrush Social, link your profiles to the Social Inbox, and get all those messages answered with no effort.